No lizard tongue. I've managed to clean up about 2/3 of the ceiling space so far. I'm just going to attack this bit here, and I've come across to where the second set of beams are, and I've just noticed that there is quite a big separation between them, and I think I should bolt them before I do too much. Prior to doing that, I need to clean the dirt out so that I can at least sort the I don't know what you call these rafters out, so the asbestos doesn't drop down into the school itself. But then my plan is to address these straps, make sure that they're tight onto the beams, and then I can bolt the beams together. They have been originally nailed. Right, let's get on to this. The reason, unfortunately, I found a few of these. They're spider eggs. Not really keen on the spiders up here because I can't run them. Trying to get some of this done before it gets too hot. So this is the amount of dirt I've got out of the roof this morning.